Hi guys! Today we're making Greek meatballs. And these meatballs are so juicy and flavorful, and they're also easy to make. Just toss all the ingredients in a bowl, roll them up, and bake them in the oven. I also like to serve it with the most delicious creamy Tatziki sauce. So let's get started. The ingredients for the meatballs are 2 pounds of ground beef, half cup of diced onion, 4 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of chopped dill, 2 eggs beaten, half cup of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of cumin and 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. The ingredients for the Tatziki sauce are 1 cup of Greek yogurt, half a cucumber peeled and seeded, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh dill, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Begin by mixing all the meatball ingredients together in a bowl. Using what I always say, your best utensils, which is your hands, mix until well combined. Using the palms of your hands, roll mixture into 1.5 size meatballs and place them onto a baking sheet. This is probably the most work you're going to do with this recipe. It's pretty simple. After this, we're just going to set it in the oven to bake. This recipe makes 2 dozen meatballs, so you're going to form 24 balls. Heat your oven to 400 degrees and bake for about 15 minutes or until cooked through. Because of their size, they cook fairly quickly. Meanwhile, while meatballs are baking, make your Tatziki sauce. Shred the cucumber using the smaller whole end of your grater. This is an important step. Make sure to squeeze out all the excess liquid from your cucumber. You don't want the sauce to be too watery. In a bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, cucumber, dill, garlic, and lemon juice. Make sure to season well with salt and pepper. This Tatziki sauce is actually one of my favorites. So creamy and delicious. And it pairs so well with the meatballs. If you want the full recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Honestly, this dish tastes like something you'd get at a restaurant, or even better. These meatballs are so juicy, tender, and flavorful, and the Tatziki sauce is so fresh and creamy. Absolutely delicious. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't miss out on any of my other simple and delicious recipes. Hit that red subscribe button. Feel free to check out my other recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.